Hi, everybody. It's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you about elimination. This is one of the many important things of Chapter 4. Okay, in elimination, we're trying to get rid of a variable. Over here, I have 3x minus 4y equals 10 and 2x plus 2y equals 9. I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't see anything that can cancel out. So what we want to do is multiply this bottom one by a number that will cancel out a variable. And I look at this, 2y, right? And I see that if I multiply 2y by 2, it'll be a positive 4y. And then positive 4y and negative 4y will cancel out. So that's what I'll do. I'll multiply this whole bottom equation by 2. And so that 2 will distribute in to all three terms. I'm going to write it over here. So I have 4x plus 4y equals 18. This top one stays exactly the same. Okay, now we're going to do train tracks. And we add the two equations. 3x and 4x make 7x. Negative 4y, positive 4y cancel. 10 and 18 make 28. Now divide by 7 because 7 is in front of x. X equals 4. Okay, so we're not done because we're looking for the point of intersection. That means x and y. So I'm going to plug in that 4 into the top equation from over here. Okay, let's replace. Okay, let's just keep doing the work. So subtract 12 from both sides. Negative 4y equals negative 2. Divide by negative 4. And we're running out of space. So I'll write the answer here. Y equals negative 2 over negative 4. And that can reduce by negative 2. And our answer is y equals 1/2. So what is our point of intersection? Okay, I'm going to write it over here. 4 1/2. All right, boys and girls, thank you.